Welcome to Tirupati Hydraulic, manufacturer and supplier of lathe and shearing machines. The company was established in 2002 at Rajkot. Our products are manufactured under brand named Era. Client-centric policies, customization facility, and timely delivery of orders make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a splendid range of lathe, shearing, and hand folder machines. Our lathe, shearing, and hand folder machines are best in the industry amongst others. We offer hydraulic power press and press brake that are superior in performance. Hand-operated hydraulic press and hydraulic shearing machines offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. Along with that, we offer light, medium, heavy, and extra heavy-duty lathe machines that are a class apart. We also provide extra heavy-duty Plano type and medium-duty all-gear lathe machines that are extremely reliable. For more information, log on at www.indiamart.com/Tirupati Hydraulic-Rajkot.